Okay, you guys think Florida, everybody's dying on the street? Check it out. Um, Everything is just fine. Perfectly healthy people around here. And you're gonna see the most beautiful ocean ever. Look how flat. No hurricanes here. Nice as could be. Most of the family come here. See some people fishing and everything else. So enjoy. This is a good life. If you can understand everything you say, I say right now, actually, you're doing a great job. So if you are working from home on a Sunday, I have my friends who teach English and over in Australia and wonderful Japan or any time in the Orient. They're already a day ahead. Over there is Monday. So yes, my teachers do work on Sundays. So this is not a comedy show yet, but I just want to show you this is beautiful area and perfectly healthy people here. And in the fresh air, no way you can get anything. Fresh air is the best for your health. So I'd rather be here and enjoy the particular wonderful water and a lot of little flowers too. So I'm going to my spot, which is a little farther, which I absolutely love, and swim. That's the beauty of the U.S. Freedom to do whatever you want within limits. You know, the beach is open. You don't know how long they're gonna be, but it is open over here. And for you that is up north in the New York area, which always New England, that right now they don't want us, anybody here from Florida, but you're welcome over here. You know, the wonderful governors, everything open here at this time. And so it is really a way of all the families enjoy the wonderful Sunday. Sundays for family. The majority are Christians. They don't work on Sundays or they're on vacation here because we know this is the Gulf of Mexico. So this is like if you're being in Cancun. So when I'm not working, I try to get a swim. Lately, I've been working a lot on the computer with my wonderful platforms, and this is what happens. You have one day that you want to do the things you enjoy. Approaching near the water, that's my level, so you can enjoy the ocean. I'm still with you. I didn't leave. Hang it in there. And this on the sand is just algae, it's no big deal. Algae that belongs to the corals, the coral reef, and can scuba dive in here very nicely. In Venice, there's a lot of nice spots as well for scuba diving. Right in the border of Venice in the Commons. Here is Siesta Key, the other side, Turtle Beach. Anyway, so pretty soon I'm gonna stop and go for a swim. I was gonna bring my wonderful, GoPro to dive under the water. Have a little technical issues, but I fixed that, and I'm gonna have under the water footage pretty soon. Perfect day for chilling. Do you know what that term in English say? Chilling? And that's what people do on Sundays or whenever they have a chance. If the days off is a Tuesday or Wednesday. So they are chilling. Chilling. It's not chill that is cold, it's chilling, just relaxing. So we're going with the whole entire family to hang out and enjoy. Here, you know why they call wonderful Turtle Beach? Because the turtles come here to hatch the egg and go back to the ocean. And I'm going to show you right now what it is. A wonderful, protected by the marine biologists and the people that advocate for the wonderful ocean creatures. This is where they hatch the eggs. So that's total eggs. So they stay away from. You don't mess around. So when they coming back and forth, there's probably eggs in there. So the turtles are gonna come out and go to this beautiful ocean. So, and right now, oh my goodness, I wish I could expand this. Is so many dragonflies. Do you know what a dragonfly is? It's not a real dragon. It's not the dinosaurs like they thinking. The dragonflies are like butterflies, but a little different. They have the wings, all these different colors, but most of them, like you see it right here. I don't know if you can see it, but you can Google it. The wonderful dragonflies. So over there, they have more of the turtle eggs and hatching. So at this time, I'm gonna be chilling, and I'm gonna be right next to this wonderful turtle eggs. I'm gonna hang out here. I didn't bring my wonderful arm. And by the way, the English lessons are taught by Americans. And because we live in the US, and everybody wants to try to learn the US accent. I was raised with the British accent. I was raised with the wonderful, fantastic British accent. But living here after 30 years is gone. And there was a gecko there. I don't know if you already know what a gecko is. Lagartixa in Portuguese. But anyway, so I'm gonna hang out with them. Some homes are being built here. People even hanging out. So, should have brought my other camera that it goes into the wonderful, wonderful under ocean. I will switch for the next live. All right. So, you want the time to say hello to me? I look goofy. If you know what goofy is, in Portuguese it's pateta. In Espanol, you guys have to answer me. But anyway, so I'm gonna go into the wonderful water to just chill out. Vocês que são brasileiras estão assistindo isso, é um dia para você fazer o que você quiser. Yeah, if you're Brazilians and watching this is the day you do whatever you want. If your husband or if your kids don't want to come to the ocean, go yourself. Make yourself happy. That's what I like to do. I go. And sometimes it's the spare of the moment, especially Sunday morning, because everybody's at church in the morning. I like to come here and swim. And sometimes you see very hot-looking people here too. So, and do you know what a hot-looking is? Another question. So, post it in the comments. So, if you know some of the words I'm asking. See, that's a dude over there. I don't know, maybe in the 30s, you never know. That is coming up, driving by himself. Anyway, it's time for me to swim in this beautiful ocean. Thank God we not have no red tide. And again, do you know what a red tide is? Write in the comments. Some of the questions I ask. Você sabe o que é red tide? It's not like the tide is spelled the same way like the wonderful soap. Se você sabe o que é red tide, escreve nos comentários. Se você sabe o que é red tide, escriba. Não tem nada de esto. Esto está bien limpio. Mírate. Ok. Como mira mis piernas, a água está bien limpa. So, anyway. It's time to just swim a little. Church time. Not Churchill. Churchill, it was a famous personality in England. But here, church time, what it is? Another question. Lo que tu piensas que es church time? If you live in the US, you might know. If you live overseas, no. Tu sabes que eres un tiempo de ir a church. Later on, I'm gonna have another wonderful, fantastic teacher. Not today, if I have a chance, but if not, it's gonna be sometimes this week. She's a fantastic nurse. Tengo una señora que es una enfermera, que es divina, que va para toda parte del mundo, que va a encontrar con nosotros y va a estar aquí en live. Ahora mira. Okay, now, mírate, este es un señor que está bien arreglado. Mira cómo estás. Él está venido y va a mirar la fantástica parte de que trabaja bien el cuerpo, la parte de arriba, que está bien, como le hablo acá, jacked up. You know what a jacked up is? Tú sabes que es jacked. Não é o apelido Jack. Você sabe que é uma pessoa que, como se chama, bem musculosa, que trabalha o corpo, né? Aqui em inglês, se você souber, você me avisa. Eu estou afundando aqui um pouquinho, mas é uma pessoa bonita, né? E é engraçado que a gente fala bonita para uma pessoa bonita para homem também, né? É bom para o colírio dos olhos, como eu falo. Bem colírio. Ele trabalha bem o corpo, tá bem magrinho. Quantos anos tem? Não importa. Tem um amigo de 70 anos que estão assim, ó. Trabalham o corpo. You know? So se você sabe o que quer dizer jacked, escreva. Bom, Agora é hora de eu nadar profundamente. Eu sou uma sereia. Eu gosto de entrar dentro da água e nadar, é meu exercício favorito. Eu ensino não só o inglês, eu ensino muita coisa sobre marketing digital. É um curso completamente separado. E também ensino muita coisa assim, bem direitinha, feita por médicos, que eu tenho um grupo que só tem médicos. E enfermeiras, nutricionistas, health coach, que é, né, as pessoas que trabalham com a saúde. Esse grupo é maravilhoso e eles estão sempre disponíveis para qualquer pergunta. Depois eu vou colocar o nome do grupo aqui. E estão sempre disponíveis pela internet para poder lhe ajudar. E, bom, agora é hora de aproveitar. Now it's time to enjoy yourself. If you know how you enjoy yourself is, você sabe o que quer dizer enjoy yourself? Você sabe o que quer dizer enjoy yourself? Essa é uma dica grátis. Curtir, aproveitar. E é isso que eu vou fazer agora. Depois de tanto trabalho a semana inteira, eu coloco muito dos cursos todinhos no computador, faço meu trabalho, tenho amigas que ajudam também, mas a maioria do trabalho eu desenvolvi, né? E se você quiser ter até a sua própria escolinha, aonde você estiver, que é uma franquia, me fala. Um abraço. Hola, ahora tengo que irme, porque é hora de fazer um exercício que me ajuda muito. Mira, esta parte do coral. O exercício me ajuda muito com a fantástica espalda. O exercício, I'm talking in English and Spanish so you guys can, and Portuguese because that's the audience. A audiência é para as mulheres brasileiras, as mulheres espanholas, então vai ter muito isso, espanhol e português. A audiência é para as senhoras de habla hispana e de habla portuguesa, que estão trabalhando ou estão na casa, não importa, que querem aprender o inglês. Então, venimos para você em la hora que mais te convém. Hacemos grupos. Pero se tu quieres franquias, entonces entre em contato com nós. Em todas as partes dos Estados Unidos temos. Agora, este senhor deve ser um europeu, porque aqui nada se mete com um europeu, sabe Deus que. Pero nada se mete em la maravilhosa praia com biquíni quase de mulheres, não com speedos, pero aqui lo chamam speedos. É interessante. Pero, ou pode ser do outro lado. Okay. Bueno, vou terminar porque agora é a hora de aproveitar. Now is the time to enjoy. Se llego cerquita de onde estão os maravilhosos pajaritos, então eles vão para volar. If I get closer to the birds, they probably will fly. See, they already knowing that we're getting close, so they usually go away. Os pajaritos, os pássaros, não? Fogem, né, dos homens, das mulheres, porque eles fogem do ser humano para o medo que as pessoas vão atirar eles ou pegar eles para comer, que fazem em outros lugares, na Ásia, em outros lugares que o pessoal tem fome. Mas bom, agora é hora de nadar. So, sorry guys. Perdona, desculpa, estou agora dando proof para how we go to this Beautiful ocean over here to swim. So, adios. Ciao. Adios. Hasta la próxima. The comedian, wonderful show will be starting soon. Lo que hablé fue lo siguiente, que el show de comediantes va a ser bien preparado, va a tener una invitación, pero después. Ok. Cuando esté no show, el show estiver listo, mi español está un poquito malo, porque no hablo tanto lo español como lo inglés, inglés todos los días acá, ¿no? Entonces, tchau, tchau, amigas maravilhosas. Depois falamos, qualquer coisa, me liga ou me manda uma mensagem no Messenger. Tchau. Wonderful ocean. Okay. I don't think it ended. Well, hopefully we'll end soon. Otherwise, you guys are gonna be seeing. Oh my goodness. Sometimes the cameras don't want to cooperate. I want to end the show so I can swim. Just 1 second. Hold on there. Aguenta a mão aí, queridas, porque não está querendo terminar. Eles estão querendo ficar ao vivo ainda. E eu tô com sede. I'm gonna drink water. Eu vou beber água. E eu vou ter que fechar aqui. With my sunglasses, couldn't end the show. Ok, muito bem. Colírio